Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video, we're once back on the Magento app, and we're going to be looking at modules and how to install plugins. So first off, once you're in the dashboard, you're going to go to System and click on Web Setup Wizard. Once you're here, you're going to see the Extension Manager, Module Manager, System Upgrade, and System Configuration. We're going to go ahead and click on System Configuration. And on this page over here is where you're going to input your personal API keys. And these keys are going to be found on the Magento Marketplace. To access the Magento Marketplace, you just have to go on the URL marketplace.magento.com. We're going to go there right now. This is the website. You have to create an account, log in, and once you are logged in, you're going to go to My Profile. After that, you're going to go to Access Keys. And if for some reason you don't have any keys yet for this Magento 2, that is the current version for Magento, you can go ahead and create a new access key. You can just name it. I'm just going to name my name so you guys can see how it's done, and it will generate a key for you. Just because I already done one key, I don't need another one, so I'm just going to stick with this one. And to copy and paste it on your website, just make sure that you copy it from here, not select it like this, just because sometimes it can copy a little extra space over here. You don't want that because then it would say that it's not work or it's not valid or something like that. So once you guys go ahead and click on copy, and then I'm just going to show you guys how it's done. We're going to click on copy, paste it over here, copy this one, paste it over here, and click on save configurations. Once you guys do this, the marketplace is linked to your account, and you guys can start downloading your plugins. And to download your plugins, guys, you guys can just go to the menu over here, find one that you want. For example, I'm just gonna find a random one so I can show you guys something. Here, if you guys see this M1 and M2 over here, that's the version of Magento that the plugin is ran on. So if yours, for example, there's one that you want, if you wanted this free gift over here, and it said M1, you would need to find the same one that said M2, because the one is the old version of Magento, and we do not support that anymore. So you'd actually find it right here, it's the same one, and it says M2. And for this example, you could use the M2 version, it's the same thing. Just keep in mind that you need the M2 for it to work. For example, the 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, or 2.3. And after you guys download your plugins will show over here on the setup wizard all the way down to module manager, where I have all my modules over here. As you guys can see, this one is not on, and if yours for some reason has a problem with it, it will show up like this saying off with this little red icon over here. You guys can also go to the extension manager to see your updates available, your extensions ready to install, and all your installed extensions over here. I have just one page of it, but you guys can see how it looked like. And I can also refresh it to see if I have more installed. This is how you install modules, guys, and also plugins. This is going to be it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.